All right, so we really see that green. I gotta keep making progress on this. I need to raise the car up and the wheels have to be a different color. So let's work on that. All right, 6Z wheels are missing right there. So now I gotta try and get the remnants of this. One wheel down. Oh, yeah. Okay, so they're prepped, sanded, as good as I'm willing to make them. They'll be fine. So now, just gotta wipe them down, which I'm gonna use some grease and wax remover and a microfiber. And then I gotta find something to mask these up. I usually use 3x5 cards because they're super easy, but I don't have any, I don't think, and I don't want to go get them. So we'll get them wiped down and then go from there. definitely buying 3x5 cards next time. That was horrible. They're all masked, so I think I'm gonna hit them with a primer first, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go white, and the last thing I want to see is green showing through anywhere. This is a rattle can paint job, so that can happen. So if we just get a coat of gray on them first, it might have a better chance of sticking, and we won't have that green come through, hopefully, because it's bright. So no green on this car. We've got our second coat on, and it's looking pretty damn good, if you ask me. Looks pretty lit. So now I want to walk around them and try and make sure that they're all covered, because I have a way of like not doing that every time I do this. So I'm gonna try to be real careful, because this looks pretty good. And then once we do that, we'll do clear coat. So yeah. dry overnight because I was a little heavy with it, but I wanted them to look good, so whatever. I think the whole trick with this really is the spray paint I used was nothing special, but where did I put it? I bought like nice clear coat. So this is typically sold in auto body stores. They say it's for like spot repair and stuff like that. It's $30 for a can, I think, or 20 bucks. Something like that. It's expensive. But that is what's gonna make these wheels look like they're not spray painted. So yeah, we'll see what they look like tomorrow. Put them on the car. Be a big improvement from green. That's all I can ask for. All right. Some kid came and just wasted my time at midnight. Anyways, the wheels dried up enough that I thought I'd throw 2 on just to throw it in at the end. I'm stoked. It looks good. I think gray was the right choice. Coming together.